Hi beauties! It's so good to see y'all again. I'm so glad to be back. I had a whole education to do, but I'm back and I want to start making more videos. And so the video that I'll be doing today is a natural look. I'm going to have my makeup done already, but I just want to focus on my eyes just so that I can show y'all how to do that in a step-by-step process. I'm only going to be using 2 brushes, but yeah, you can go ahead and create a natural look when you're going to work or when you're going to out just to the store. I hope y'all like it. See y'all soon. So in case y'all are new to my channel, my name is Gabby. If you want more videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And so today we are going to do a natural look. And I know some people have trouble with doing a natural look, even for like all ages that are just barely starting to get to like know more about makeup. This will be like a simple step for you because I'm only going to be using 2 brushes and a palette. And so I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. If you don't have it, that's fine. You can get like a simple palette that just has natural colors, and that should still be perfectly fine for you, even if it has like only 3 colors. I'm only going to be using about like 3 colors, 2 to 3 colors. But so we're gonna go ahead and start with the Jaclyn Hill. I've done all my makeup, but I just haven't done my eyelids because I wanted to walk y'all through it. The first shade I'm going to go in with is this one is called the Silk Cream. It just makes your eyeshadow run more smoothly when you add like other colors on top of it. And so I already have eyelid primer over. That helps your eyeshadow like stick on more. So this brush is called JH30. It's from the Jaclyn Hill set. And if you don't have it, that's fine. If you at least have like a brush like this, you're good to go. With the same brush, the JH30. The next color I'm going to go in with is like a dark brown. This one right here. This one is called Central Park, from the Jaclyn Hill palette, of course. And so with this, I'm only going to grab a little bit since it's like so pigmented. I'm only going to tap it and then take some off and tap it, just so that I don't get a lot on here. What we're going to do is we're going to kind of add like a smoky but natural look on your eyelid. I'm going to start from the bottom and then blend up. You want it to be blendable and you want it to look nice, not all patchy like you just threw the color on there. And I know for some of y'all it might be hard because you don't really know how to blend, but honestly you just gotta move like your brush in circles and then that's how you blend. Sometimes I go side to side and that helps me. And I'm packing it at the bottom and then I'm blending it up. And you can even like take some of the excess off. Now we're gonna take the little brush, which is this one's the JH40. It's also from the Jaclyn Hill set. And what I do, just so that it can get the pigment really well, is I spray it with a Mario Badescu spray. This is just a facial spray, moisturizing spray that's really, really good. And then so what we're going to go in with is kind of like a shimmer. This kind of shimmer right here, if you can see it. And this one is called Obsessed. Honestly, like you can see how much I use this color. I like literally love this color. So I'm just gonna pat it down. And this is gonna create like a natural look. It's not like shimmer all over the place. So it's like, it'll be like just halfway right here just to create like a natural look and it's not too much. And so I'm just gonna pack it on here. And after that, you can go back with your big brush and you can just blend it in. Just blend in the shimmer. And if you want to add, if you want to go a little bit more darker on the ends, you can just pack it up and then blend it up. After that, you would just curl your eyelashes. And so I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll be back. So now that I have done my eyelashes, I like to go in and blend out the outside of my eyeshadow. If you really wanted to glamour up, you can go with a lighter shade. We can go in with In Light. This shade right here, it's kind of like a shimmery shade. It's for your inner corners. This just brings out your eyes even more. I usually put a little up here. So this is the natural look and the look I always go to when I'm in a rush or if I'm going to work. I want to thank you all for watching my YouTube channel. I'm so glad I'm back. I'm going to try to keep them short and simple, but I'm going to try to help y'all like create natural looks. The next one I want to do is just like a full face natural look for beginners. If you want more videos and you want to see more videos like this, just go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell just so that you can get the notifications. And then question of the day. On the comments below, I want you to say how you do your natural eyeshadow. I'm kind of curious. I want everybody to like communicate with the community, and so if we can say how we do our natural looks, I mean, everybody can get tips and tricks from that. So yeah, go ahead and comment in the comments below. Thank you again so much for watching, everybody, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, beauties.